Oh. Okay. Okay.
Every goddamn morning when I call you in here, you stand outside the door like this and stare at me like I'm on crack when you're the one who looks like you're on crack, my good lady.
My cat has just been sitting in front of my mirror like this, just checking himself out periodically for the past 10 minutes.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Boop. Thank you. Hello, sir. I just need a favor, real quick. Boop. Thank you. Hello, yes, sir. Boop. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Sir, do you have a moment for a few words? Boop.
Yeah, don't be shy. Dance some more. Dance some more. Don't be shy. Dance some more. Don't be shy.
Show him your face.
Oh, go up the pole, baby. Yeah. Yeah.
You want some pets? Yeah. Oh, no.
Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
Oh!